the next day. So, ito na yung nabanggit ko sa inyo na magluluto ako ng lasagna. So, ito yung ilalagay natin. Then, once na-assemble natin ito, i-oven na natin siya. Si Jan nagkakat ng grass sa lapas. Kung naririnig nyo. So, ayan. Ayan siya. So, ayan. Tapos ko na siyang i-assemble. Ready to bake later. Si Jan, hindi pa rin siya tapos mag-cut ng lawn. Ayan. Tapos yung giniling. Nandito talaga siya lahat. Kaya, full na full ng meat yung ating lasagna. Yan, napag-isipan kong gumawa rin ng dessert. So, ayan yung ating biko. Ayan yung kanyang sauce. And ayan yung ating rice. Yung sticky rice. So, ayan. Okay na to. So, nilagay ko na yung sauce sa sticky rice. Ayan na yung biko natin. And yung ating lasagna nandito na rin. Ibibake ko siyang 35 or 40 minutes. And yung oras pala is mag 1 o'clock na. Ayan, 12:58. So, luto na yung ating lasagna. Tatakpan ko to ng aluminum foil. And eto, takpan ko rin siya ng yung cling wrap yung sa kanya. So, ayan guys. And ako, nag-i-edit ako, then maliligo, then later aalis na din para sundin si Holly sa school. So, ready na yung dinner mamaya. Ayan, natakpan ko na sila. Hi guys! Hi guys! Good afternoon. So, ngayon lang ako nagbukas ng vlog. Today is Wednesday, October 30.
And guys, I'm so excited for tomorrow because it's Halloween!
Halloween na bukas. And after ng dance lesson niya, meron pang 30 minutes. Kaya pick up ko lang sa kanya sa school and then nag-change siya.
I'm just gonna change into
bumili ko ng tubig dito sa Asian store.
My mom forgot Stanley cup.
Yeah. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok niya. So yun, shopping tayong chocolate para bukas.
Yeah, and a white t-shirt for Cosette because what he does, he actually corrects he's turning into a zombie and he's gonna cut the t-shirt.
I know.
And we need fake blood. That's what he said.
Yan ang siya yung nagtali kaninang umaga. Ay, hindi ako ang pinatali niya. So, hinayaan ko siya.
I can do it.
I have to fix this one, Baba. Come on. Oh, come on. Look out. Siya talagang gumawa nitong buhok niya.
I did my hair, guys.
Yeah, which is very good naman.
I used like that stuff.
What stuff?
The blue.
What blue? Ah, the moisturizer here.
I'm gonna put water.
No, you don't have to put water. Naglalagay siya ng tubig kasi gusto niya slick lagi ang buhok niya.
Yeah, I always do.
So what did you put? It's a bit hard. What did you put gel?
No. Okay. Is it hard?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel hard.
No, this one. See, I couldn't even comb it.
Yeah, that's hard. When I was trying to tie my hair, there was always
Well,
a
I
lump
told you
of
to
that.
brush it first.
I did. I put that stuff in first, then I brushed
And
it.
then the spray. You see?
I was trying to get my middle part.
Yeah, it's alright.
No, at first, when I was about to go to school, I was...
Ang nipis ng buhok niya. Ginagamitan ko siya ng castor oil.
The what?
The castor oil. Remember the one that I put all the time to your hair? The oil, and then I put to your skin as well. Pati sa skin niya nilalagay ko kasi dry ang skin ni Holly.
But my skin's smooth now.
Yeah, but yeah, so gabi-gabi nilalagyan ko siya ng castor oil pati yung buhok niya. So yeah. So ang ganap natin today is
what's for dinner tonight, Mom?
Oh, I made yung sausage. Inano ko siya, guys. I cut it into bite size. Tapos I saute onions and then I put gravy. And mashed potato and then rice. I have to ring Kuya.
Why?
Or text Kuya.
Cool.
Maybe he's in the bus. Call natin si Kuya. Kasi yung rice, pag alis ko, saka ko lang sinaing. So, tamang-tama, pagdating ni Kuya, pwede niya nang tanggalin sa saksakan. Hindi niya sinasagot. Na. Alright. So, yeah, mag-shopping tayo later. Mag-shopping tayo later.
Yeah, after my dance.
Yeah, ng chocolate.
So we need chocolate and a white t-shirt and fake blood.
And you got your costume. Si Kuya, TJ.
Guys, if you don't know what I'm dressing up as a skull.
Skull, yeah. Maganda yung kanyang costume. Nakita niyo ata yun. So, yeah. Pala tayo sa Kmart. Naghahanap kayo ng costume para sa Halloween ni Holly. Si Sak, bahay kasi di ba may chicken pox siya. Come on. And may dancing din siya after dito, ha? Kapili na siya.
It's a skull costume.
Alright.
Last year, I think I dressed up as a witch.
I think so. Alright, let's go. Ayan na siya, guys. We are going to
Kmart. Get with Zach's t-shirt, fake blood, and some lollies because that's the best bit of Halloween.
And bukas, si Holly, meron siyang photo shoot kasi this week is a photo shoot sa dancing nila.
Yeah, tomorrow, which is on Halloween.
Tomorrow, ayaw niyang sumali sa photoshoot kasi gusto niya mag-Halloween. So, tinext ko na lang yung group chat na sabi ko si Holly ayaw niyang sumali sa photoshoot tomorrow. Kasi, kaya nga, bakit naman kasi nagkataon? Sana, pinostpone na lang nila yung...
Why can't it be on Friday?
No, you can't.
No, because there was someone in my class.
No. Why the other one is wearing the black costume?
She missed out on the
Wednesday. I'll choose Monday.
Yeah.
Kasi Monday nag-photoshoot. Tuesday. Kasi nung Tuesday nag-photoshoot na sila no, Monday. Monday and then yesterday. And then merong isang batang naka-costume nung suot nila Holly nung Monday. So na-miss out niya din pala kahapon. Anong Monday. So, nagpa-photo siya ngayon. Si Holly, yung ballet bukas. So, nung Monday, contemporary, and then the other day is jazz.
So, I have contemporary, jazz and ballet.
So, bukas, hindi
So,
siya.
I have to be there 4 times a day.
4 times a week.
4 times a week.
So, yeah. So, this year, wala siya sa group, photo ng ballet nila. Okay lang yun. Every year naman siya nagpapa-photoshoot eh. Ano din siya guys? $35. So, hindi natin yun bibilhin. Kasi wala ka naman doon. Tapos, yung kasi, okay lang sana kung after school, like, yung class niya is like, like 4 o'clock.
Or I go on the buses on Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah,
I have time.
Kung
but
4
on
o'clock.
Wednesday and Thursday, I have to go home.
Kung 4 o'clock, okay pa sana. Kasi 1 hour lang naman, 5. So 5:30, maaabutan pa ni Holly yung Halloween.
Guys, and what's the point buying a costume then?
Oh, bumili pa naman siya ng costume.
Yeah.
Mayroon pa naman, ready pa naman tong batang to. So mag-park lang ako and then we're going to Kmart na. Lapit lang din yung Kmart dito sa dance lesson ni Holly. Okay. White t-shirt. Come on. Good luck na lang sa kung makahanap tayo ng plain na t-shirt dito. Ah, yeah. Here. $5. Pupunitin lang naman to ni Sak.
Fake blood. Wait, Mom, we should make a car.
Okay, fake blood. Alright. That's it. Dito yung mga chocolates. Chocolates, mga spooky. What's that? Let me see. Oh. That one? Okay, self-check tayo. Oh, where's my camera? Oh, where's my camera? Dito pala. Okay. Siya raw mag-self-check. Marunong na siya niyan eh. Praktisado na yan. Barcode, Baba? Yeah, just fix it. Okay. And then, done.
Now we're going to coast.
And, malamig na.
Malamig now.
Kaya ayan, nag-jacket na siya. Wait for mommy. We're gonna lock the car. Hose. Yung cart yung gamitin natin. Okay. Put that one here. Okay, so got tayong apricot or apricot crown. Alright.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Chocolate.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, which one?
Get this one. The whole one.
Alright. I want this one for me.
Yourself.
I don't think so daddy likes this one.
Yeah, we're getting this one's for trick-or-treating. This one's for...
Alright. Like this one. Mince. Ito tayong butter. Ito tayo ng
meat.
You are. Dito na pala tayo sa cashier. Ayan na yung cart natin. And si Holly may gusto siyang kunin na squishy.
Well, it's like a teddy, and then once you squish it, rises up really slow.
Okay. It's a ghost. Bahay na kami, guys. Yes, I got you fake blood. And nakapag-dinner na sila.
Where did you get all these from?
Coles. What time you're going to? Magpapagupit yung mga boys. And si Jan din. Alright. What? Pakainin ko muna tong bata. Wash your hands.
My dinner.
Wash your hands. Meron ako ditong ginawang.
Now we got you sneakers.
You want rice, Baba?
Yes, please.
That was good.
You like this?
Yes.
Nagluto ako ng
I wanted more.
sausages na inano ko siya, instead na yung normal na sausage lang, ang ginawa ko, iniwa-hiwa ko siya, tapos nag-saute ako ng maraming onions, tapos naglagay ako ng gravy, pepper, yun lang. And sobra tinira yung ubos. Wala na, si Kuya gusto niya pa raw, pero tinira nila si Holden eh. Ayan, sarap nito. I love the gravy. Pang-ulam na yung ano, yung sauce. Subo tayo. Wala na para sa akin. Kay Holly na to eh. May chicken akong binili. Machi-chicken ako and kamote. Ang sarap. Yan. Sarap. Pwedeng ulamin na talaga yung gravy. Baba!
Alright, Mom.
So good, no, babe?
Try that. That spoon.
Yeah.
The fork.
How?
So good, Baba. So aside sa chocolate, meron tayong mga binili. Nag-grocery ako nung, kailan ba yun? Ito lang week.
It's a bit cold.
Do you want me to heat it up? Heat it up, hon, please.
Also,
That
Going?
yeah.
What? Oh, just you're the boys.
There's Sunday.
Oh, si Jan lang pala kasi magpapa-color siya. So, sa Sunday pa yung boys. Si Kuya naliligo na.
Hi guys. So sorry.
So, aside sa chocolate, bumili tayo ng sour cream. And tomorrow, magpapasta kami.
Pasta.
So, kumuha ko ng Alfredo with cream cheese. Pero kumuha pa rin ako ng cream cheese. Gagawa ko ng sarili kong sauce. I-add ko lang to. And cream. Dalawang cream. Maliit yung nakuha ko. Wala kasing malaki. And etong topside roast. Ito yung aking sariling butter. Kasi si Jan yung isa sa kanya, yung Flora pala. Flora. So, ito yung sa akin, Western Star. That's enough na ba? And yung aking favorite na ham, yung gypsy ham. And bumili ako nito guys. Ito lang yung, di ba hindi ako nagko-coffee? Ito lang yung nagustuhan kong parang coffee ko na, yung caramel, salted caramel.
It's
Yung
still too hot.
Jura latte, ayan. So bumili ako nitong tadan. Dinamihan ko na kasi lagi itong nauubos. Ang laging natitira doon is yung vanilla, French vanilla. Ito laging sold out. So kumuha na ako ng So, nagpalit lang ako guys ng battery kasi alam niyo naman yung sakit ng ating camera. So, yung nabili ko pala na, eto nga, yung Jura na salted caramel na, ayan, yung latte. Eto lang kasi yung nagugustuhan kong alam niyo naman hindi ako ma-coffee, diba? Pero etong salted caramel latte, gusto ko siya. Kaya ko siya. Hindi sumasakit yung ulo ko nito. Pero hindi naman araw-araw ako umiinom nito. Pag gusto ko lang, pag feel ko lang. Pero nag-stock tayo kasi lagi itong sold out sa Coles. Ang laging natitira sa Coles is yung vanilla or French vanilla. So, yun lagi ang meron sila. Eto, ngayon ko lang ulit nakita kaya kinuha ko na 8. So, yan. Yan yung nabili natin. Aside sa chocolate. And eto pa pala. Spinach. And bumila ko ng mince kasi ginamit na namin this week yung binili ko. And ito, yung apricot, nakita nyo to, yung crown. And bumili ako nito para sa partner sa pasta bukas. And ito yung ating barella na pasta para bukas. And ito, cinnamon donut, si Holly kumuha niyan.
I'm having one tonight.
Are you?
Yes.
And what else? And ito yung nabili natin sa Coles, yung Spooky. And si Holly, gusto niya, alam niyo naman si Holly ngayon guys, di ba? Nahihilig siya sa porma-pormahan na mga, parang mga baggy-baggy, mga, yeah. Ayan, so, nagustuhan niya to. So, binili ko sa kanya. Ang magaan lang siya. So, size 1 siya. Kmart, and more from Kmart, yung ayan. Sour Chewy. Ano pa ba? Ang dami nating chocolate. Ayan. So, Milky Way. Nakita nyo na yan. Cherry Ripe. Maltesers. Ayan. Ano ba to? Cherry Ripe. Oh, may Cherry Ripe. Twix. Koala. Caramelo Koala. Ito, masarap to guys.
Yeah.
Ilang piraso to. Fredo, yung milk chocolate. Hindi ko alam kung ilan itong pirasong to. Si Holly kasi, kuha lang din siya ng kuha doon. KitKat. Normal Teasers. Cherry Ripe. KitKat. Skittles. And ito sa akin to. Dairy Milk. Dairy Milk Chocolate. And mini na Chupa Chups. Yes. More? You're done? So, ilan ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is called cat.
9, 10, 11, 12,
Okay,
spaghetti.
now I'm just gonna scrape.
And another bag. Ito sa Coles to, nakita ni Holly. Itong Halloween na 3D gummy skulls. More sneakers, Mars, caramel koala, Mars, milk chocolate Fredo. Masarap dito si Fredo eh. And peanut brownie fan size. Yeah, we already had this last year. We never had that. Smarties. More Smarties. Pearl.
I think that's enough.
Hmm?
I think that's enough. But why more? I mean, that's a lot.
That's a lot, I know.
I went crazy.
Flake. So, eto si caramel wallaby. Why wallaby? Wallaby. So, dalawang kinuha niya. Yes. Eto, sa bahay to. Eto, M&M's kasi by pack. So, pwede itong pambawang-baw ni John saka ng mga bata. So, 4 ang kinuha ko. And, for us, eto si... Do you like this?
Yes.
I always, naglalagay sa lunch nila. Eto si Kinder.
Are you putting some in there too?
No, that's for us. So, yan yung... Oh, so 13. Ilan na ba yun? 13. Bilangin lang na. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, oops. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 na chocolates. Plus, 31, 32, 33 na chocolates. Tapos, ito yung mga lollies. So, tatlo nito. So, how many did I say?
You said 24.
30,
33.
33, 34. So, 36. So, yan yung ating...
And the lollipop.
And the lollipop. So, eto pa pala, may lollipop. Last year, hindi ako naglagay ng lollipop. So, this year, maglalagay tayo ng lollipop.
So, you have bags.
Yeah? Daddy, I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay. So, iputaway ko lang yung aking mga sinamili, guys. Okay.
Do you have food dye?
Huh?
Food dye?
Food dye? Yeah, I do. Why?
Put yellow on there for like the stain and all that.
You know what? You know how much that t-shirt? $20.
What's it?
25. See, you're just gonna wreck
Oh, I
it.
thought it was
What?
like $7.
$7? No, it's 25 or 28 because that's too wide. And you're just gonna wreck it.
I just need to decorations. No.
Are you gonna rip it?
Yeah.
Why? So it's just like you tear the money. Diba, binibiro ko siya.
I thought it was like $7.
No, it's not. It's $25.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes.
Time for this.
Thanks. And ayan pala, bumili rin nito si Holly. Masarap ba to? Yeah, Kinder. Yeah, masarap to. Alright. Nagutom ako. Kakain din ako ng chicken tas gravy.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.